I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times, cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
Yes, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. It's afternoon and I'm somewhere in the street heading to supermarket shopping. Can you guys hear me? Maybe or maybe not. I need to project my voice a little bit more because I'm out here squinting my eyes and I can hardly hear you because I'm right in the main road, at the side of the main road. Anyway, you guys, my kids are off to school, my husband is off to work, and I've been busy on the street from morning back home getting stuff done. Wash my hair, just left the house, and now I'm heading to the supermarket. That's why my hair is tied up, because I just washed my hair and it looked all sort of crazy and I need to head to the supermarket. So here is my tram, so I'm gonna leave you guys and pick you guys back up in a bit. Here we go.
Ligne 3, direction Saint-Isidore.
Okay, so I'm back. So what I was saying to you guys was that I've been so busy from morning trying to get stuff done and out on appointments on the road, but I went back home and washed my hair, and here am I on my way to supermarket early a bit today because baby's leaving work a bit early so that he can pick me up before we go and get the kids at school. So hopefully you guys are doing well. That's all I'm trying to say. I feel like I'm all over the place today. So hopefully you guys are doing well. You guys will see the kids and hubby when I get back home for the supermarket haul. Anyway, you guys, see you guys later. When you guys watching this though, it will be my first day at work. I'll be at work when you guys watching this, so it will be a busy weekend for me trying to get stuff done and get myself into the groove of things for work. So in this very moment, you guys watching, I'll be at work, and voila, I am back. I am back. My husband, my fine husband, him look extra juicy today. That's why I keep stressing fine. My fine husband picked me up, and as I got in the car, I took off that head wrap because my hair is wet and I want my hair to dry in peace. So you guys see my hair in fluffy twist. As no, I am not giving you the supermarket haul because there's no supermarket haul without the entire crew, right? But because I have to wait until like an hour and a half for the kids to get home from school, I am going to have to show you guys the frozen things until they come because I have to put them up. So real quick, I'm going to show you guys the frozen things that I got. So I got what is this? Sweet potato fries. I love sweet potato fries. I'll take sweet potato fries any day over normal fries. Tell me if you guys love sweet potato fries. And I got shrimp. I got balls, lots of balls. Meatballs. Green beans. I find that green beans, when I buy it frozen, it's so easy to cook. I just throw that out into the frying pot with my seasoning. Don't have to cut off stems. Done. Hence, I like buying green beans like that. Fish. I forgot to buy fish last week. I wasn't going to forget it this week. And I have different types of cheese. Cheddar. Babe requested this one, so I make sure I got it. He liked when I put this one in the omelette. I got this one because I have all intention to make some wrap this weekend, and I have some mozzarella for that. Also, we love eating cheese around here, French people things, so I got those. And the rest of the things that is remaining in the frozen bag are yogurts. So you have different type of yogurts. You have yogurts for babe breakfast, you have yogurts for babe lunch and dinner, and you have yogurt for the kids. If you guys don't know the yogurts that the kids normally eat, let's see how good you guys know the kids. what yogurt is Tyler's favorite yogurt? Comment down below and let me know before I show you guys. And which yogurt is Sarah's favorite yogurt? What's the pattern on the yogurt that Sarah always have? And what flavor is Tyler's favorite yogurt? I'm not gonna show you guys. Let's see how good you guys are with that question. So that's all the frozen things. I'm gonna put them away and then you guys will see the rest of Fam Bam right now. Look who is home. Say hello.
Hi.
What are you doing?
I eat strawberry donut.
Look who else is home. Drum roll. You're supposed to come up when I do that.
You did this, so now they know it's little. You should have did this like that. They think it's Papa.
No, they didn't have to know that it's little. What if they weren't thinking that way? Say hello, silly, silly.
Ow, 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 ow. I don't want to do
Yeah,
supermarket haul.
Why?
Hello. I want to do my game.
No. You do the game and when you're ready for supermarket haul, you do supermarket haul and then you go back to your game. Take off your shoes. It's yummy. Give Mama a bite.
Mama, my pan chocolate.
Well, you have to do supermarket haul to discover where it is.
Mama, I'm going to
Go
find
and take off your shoes. We don't start supermarket haul as yet.
I'm hungry.
Thank you. Papa, where to? Papa outside chatting with the neighbors. We all were out there, but I take time and take away myself because I'm getting hungry. Now I leave him out there. But I think you get the idea that he's not to stay too long because I'm hungry. Where is he? I hope he's coming soon. Anyway, you guys, in the meantime, we can start the supermarket haul with Tyler's snack bag. So we're gonna do that without Papa. Right, Ty?
No, I want to wait. Papa, it's not fun without Papa.
Well, I agree.
Papa!
Papa soon come. Eat a donut until Papa come. Okay?
I'm with Papa.
Papa soon come. Papa outside talking to the neighbor. So, while we wait on Papa, while I agree with Tyler, let me get the pizza out of the box for dinner. Oh, there he is.
What's up? I know that. Papa!
Vous m'attendez pour le supermarket haul?
Bien sûr, Tyler says no fun without Papa. We can't do it without Papa. I was gonna start without him. He's like, nope. say hello to the face. The battery gonna die.
Hello!
I'm gonna change the battery and come back.
Hey!
It's time for the
Ich mach
Supermarket
Mr. Extra.
Will you like this like you're showing your body?
Okay.
Ich mach das
Hello. Tyler, where's your bag?
Extra?
Where's the snack bag? No.
It's a There's eggs.
I see clocks.
Okay, I think it's that one. Alright, let's go. Hold on, because Tyler's going to destroy this pizza if I don't move it.
What?
Put it on the plate already.
It's for me?
No, that's for me. Why would I buy you a pink book?
Wow! Coca-Cola! Coca-Cola!
No, I wouldn't buy you a pink book.
From Atlanta!
For you what?
From Atlanta!
Pig book from a piggy.
What? Be careful what you're saying.
Because Because piggy is pig. What's this, Sarah? I want to eat, Mama.
You want to eat?
Mama.
Yes, take up your donut
I want
and
to
eat it.
eat.
What do you want to eat?
Pinky, little pretty Pinky. Oh, you took it like this?
I got the candy. Mama.
That's fine.
No.
Mama.
It doesn't matter for me.
Okay.
Mama.
Yes, Sarah. Yes, Tyler.
Somebody don't have to walk. Somebody need a pretty
When
book
you
to
find
show off.
you think you can have it. It's not my dear. Why you didn't eat good?
I eat good. I eat.
When you find your chocolate bread, you can have it. Sarah, let's do the supermarket haul. Here's one candy.
Wow, there's a bunch of juice here.
Yeah, because
A bunch of juice. Sarah, what is that?
Bread.
Juice for Sarah?
No, Springs. Sarah.
mini mushroom.
And what is that? So why did you take the wrong one?
Banana.
I did not want to slap you with the cucumber.
Comfort for Papa. Hey,
Exactly.
Papa.
Mini.
Sarah, you want to
No,
know?
happy
Sarah.
Oh, Sarah,
That's
what
what I
is
wanted
that?
her to say. Okay.
What is that? No.
Filet mignon.
Milk.
Mashed the coconut water.
Yeah.
Pain au chocolat.
Milk, wow.
Chicken, on top of chicken. Yes, Ty.
Why is my show? And I can have it.
Yes, Ty, you can have one.
What's
Tin milk
your
for porridge. Tyler, please.
We have some tomato sauce.
I could barely find ginger at the supermarket, so I had to really search, and it was so expensive, but I needed it, so I buy it.
Sarah, what is that?
Sarah,
you want to play
see?
tennis? You want to play tennis with that?
Chicken liver, corn.
You catch it? Good job.
More chicken. You see how your husband teaching the child?
Alright, stop.
But at least she's learning how to catch. Listening everything. So you just abandon the hall and eating chocolate bread?
We have some apples
You're
here,
hungry?
and we have some lemons here. Lemons and apples for the church. No?
I thought you said for the girl. Alright, Sarah, what's this one?
Avocado.
Very good. I didn't see nothing. Take it out of the
And
pan.
what is that?
Rice.
Good
That's a
job.
quoi français?
Pea.
Bravo, ma belle.
Mama, only one and one.
One and one what? What else?
Eat a mug. No.
Make sure make it one more
Oh, and
time.
what is that?
Pasta.
Which color?
This.
This is? And this is? What is that?
Macaroni.
Macaroni?
Macaroni.
No, it's coquillette.
What is this?
Strawberry. Strawberry. No,
It's for you and Tyler. It's for both of you. You remember last week I told you how much was the cost of raspberries?
You just said
Mama.
Almost €4. You know how much for it this week?
5.
€1.
Strawberry.
That's it, alright.
Strawberry.
That's in
Yes,
YouTube.
the two have strawberry.
Huh?
Yes, I do.
And what is that, Sarah?
Raspberry nut water.
Good job. Guys, we have a Nutella. She got one Nutella during the week, and she got the second one now.
I got a Nutella in the week because I thought the one that was here was going to finish, so I got a little one. No, I got the right size.
So we have 2 Nutella.
Mama. Have strawberry.
Yes, Mama will give it to you soon, okay?
To my bowl.
We have some sweet peppers. Sarah, what is that?
Watermelon.
Good job.
Mama wanted to buy. I wanted to buy the yellow orange melon, but you know how much for one? For you. Yes, Sarah. Guess what Mama buy?
What's that?
Sausage with barbecue.
Yes! Yeah!
She and Tyler have been asking for barbecue things.
So we
and
are going to
finally
this barbecue
find
on
it this
Sunday?
week.
Yeah, Mama, that's good. It's barbecue in the outside.
Yes, Sunday, okay?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, you want to eat.
Broccoli. Sarah, wait.
Where's
Papa
the
to
baby?
wash it. Where's the what?
Mama,
What
Papa.
baby? I didn't know it was ready.
I believe it was.
Sarah, back up.
Can you wash?
Tyler, is your bag alone not finished as yet? Sarah, don't hey.
Sarah says, sorry, Papa.
Sorry.
You wait, okay? Listen to me.
You are gonna get it, but Papa said to wait. He's gonna do it for you, so you wait.
I wash.
Yes, but you wait. You?
Wait.
Exactly.
Okay, smile to Papa. Yes.
Calm down.
Bisous to Papa.
Mama, there's something left.
What left?
Yeah.
Huh?
Listen to me, smile.
That's okay, I know.
What is here? Donuts.
Yes.
Yeah, but you said donuts and they're not seeing it right.
Donuts. Cookie.
Hot dog bread. Only these two remain.
Rice cake and
Cereal bar. Okay, that's the end of everything. We're gonna what? Look at this girl pushing her finger through the hole of the strawberry and picking it, tasting it.
I trimmed a lot.
Alright, let's see who's gonna get their butt kicked at rock, paper, scissors. Alright, here we go.
Sarah, who's gonna win? Tata or Papa?
Ty gonna win. Come on, Tyler. She said, let's go, Tyler. Let's go, Tyler. Come on. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. One, Papa. Come on, Tyler. Focus. Calm down. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. One, Tyler. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Two, Papa. Come on, Ty. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Revenge.
Oh, so you're taking me for revenge. I have
Who
to
won? Who won?
Papa wins.
Who
Sarah.
won? Papa won! Who won?
Sarah said,
Who won? Papa won!
Boo. Come. Tyler said I'm the puppet, so he's going to play with me.
Mama,
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
I want to wash.
Rock, paper,
I want
scissors,
to wash.
You are the puppet. You are the puppet. And you play like this. Tyler playing like this. You don't even have to look at her. Poof, poof, poof. Mommy, you're second division. That's what you say.
Yes, Tyler. Alright, we have one more to play to see if Tyler gonna kick my butt. Come. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
I choose you. I choose you with me.
What do you mean?
That's okay. Anyway, that's the end of the vlog. No, that's the end of the supermarket haul. A chicken.
Yeah, that's the end of the supermarket haul for real. What?
She's not listening what I say. She's gonna see it when she did so.
I'm gonna pack out these because Tyler just keep. I don't understand why he always kick my butt and he don't keep.
Tyler, there's something
I don't
good.
understand.
You can put crepe and milk inside the crepe.
Ew.
And you just eat
That
the
would be
milk.
too sweet. What are you going to try? These are
I'm
just
joking.
stop appearing. Anyway, you guys, I'm gonna take my losing and go drown in my sorrows. See you guys later.